Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to give Facebook access to someone, and if you're running a professional page. If we're running a professional page for the business, then we need 3 to 4 and more person in the Facebook page to handle Facebook as a manager, Facebook posting, Facebook status, Facebook commenter, and Facebook message handle, and a Facebook campaign run, and graphic designer, and so on. There are so many people need to run a professional Facebook business page. Okay, for this we need information, we need knowledge how to add someone in Facebook page to give access to them to handle our page. Okay, mostly people don't know how is it is a most simple and easiest way how to add someone, but mostly people don't know how to add someone. So in this video I will tell you in the simple easiest method and the simple language how to add someone in your Facebook page. Okay, for this you come into your page, go into your page, went into your page. Okay, whenever you understand it, my page open in home screen, you see digital gateway page. Okay, uh, I created a video. I create a video how to create Facebook page, and that page I created on that video, and I do settings for this page. I add username, I add name, and do general settings about setting professional setting. Okay, I make a video how to create logo like that, and that you show in the screen. I will uh, tell you how to make a logo like that, and also create a page cover photo like that. Okay, if you want to see how to create this, then go to into my channels, and you found more videos like that I mentioned. Okay, okay, our topic is how to give access to someone. So without wasting time, let's start the video. For this, come into your page home page. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, here you can find out manage. Okay, could just click on the manage. When you click on the manage, then this page come. When page come, then just in the left side scroll down, and you got so many options. Just scroll down, and the one here is the one option for the page access. Just click on the page access. When you click on the page access, then you find out that this is my Facebook profile, which is the name Hassan Abbas, and this is my profile photo, and I am the only one who is the owner of this page, who is the commenter and everything. I can manage page, and I can manage this page and delete the page permission. I can handle the permission, content, messages, community activity, ads, insights, and many more. Okay, you can add other person. Just click on the add new button. When you click this, if you want to read this, then Facebook said Facebook access mean what is mean. You can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook or by using other tools such as Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. You can also handle your page by using Creator Studio and Meta Business Suite. Okay, any actions you take as this page, including when you check in the location may be visible to animals, I will manage it. Okay. If you they said if you do some changes, then and you give your page access to someone, then they also see your location and other things that are doing in your page. Okay. Anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience including newsfeed. Okay, just click on the next and add their email. When you add the email, in this email there's no account. Okay, I will enter here someone account that are available. Wait a moment. Mm, I will add here. I will add here this. I will add here this email, and no people match your access to this page. Who should have Facebook access? So I will search their name, for us, Hussein. Okay. When search, there are so many. If you want to get their page access directly, then just copy their Facebook page URL and you get the result here. Okay. I have here one Facebook page link. When you search the page link, then you get the result. So don't need to add here email or anything other. Just search the email and you get the share us, and you get this access, and you allow this person to have full control. If you click this, then this person get full control. If you give the person uh, uh, manual specific access, then just click on the give access. Okay, click on the password. I will enter here password for my Facebook page, and just confirm, and the page access sent to this person. But 100% access not give, because just email sent to this person, or notification sent to this person into their Facebook page to accept the invitation. If they don't accept the invitation in the time period of 21 days, then after the 21 one days, their Facebook page invitation got expire. Okay, you can see I will also refresh the tab. You can see here's this option come here in the red bar, that this person still not accept the invitation. Let's say I open in other tab my that page. I will click here and accept the page, accept the permissions, and show you that that red line will go down. Okay, will delete. I just come here and review invitation and next step and accept this invitation. And I show you that when someone accept the access, how someone here what show. Okay, I accept the invitation under Facebook and I show you like show check the Facebook page as request accepted, and now that red line deleted, and this person come. Okay, when someone you add, how to remove and change access, just click on the three bar. You can change their access level. I show you which access level you can give this all. Now I just give him inside. Okay, you can give the ads, community message or content uh, on your demand. Okay, and you can also remove this. I just add this one to give you knowledge about how to add someone as a Facebook page moderator or someone. Okay, I remove this and just enter here your Facebook page password, and this person go remove in your Facebook page. You can use this to add someone or remove someone. Okay, hope you enjoy my video. In this video I explain you in detail how to add someone. Okay, hope you enjoy my video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.